Hello, fellow cocktail enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey through the history and nuances of the American Daiquiri. Get ready to uncover some lesser-known facts that infuse a touch of mystique into this classic libation. A tale of origins. Let's start our exploration by delving into the origins of the daiquiri. While it's often associated with tropical beaches, did you know that this beloved cocktail has its roots in Cuba? Named after a beach near Santiago, the daiquiri emerged as a simple mix of rum, lime, and sugar, offering a burst of refreshing flavors. The Hemingway twist. Here's a twist that Ernest Hemingway himself would appreciate: the Hemingway daiquiri. Also known as the Papa Doble, this variation ditches the sugar for a more tart flavor, while adding maraschino liqueur and grapefruit juice. It's a sophisticated option that caters to those who prefer a drier cocktail. The hidden art of balance. The beauty of the daiquiri lies in its delicate balance. Achieving the perfect harmony between rum, citrus, and sweetener is an art form that requires precision. The use of freshly squeezed lime juice adds a zesty dimension that elevates the experience. The revival of craft cocktails. In recent years, the daiquiri has experienced a revival as part of the craft cocktail renaissance. Mixologists have revisited its simplicity, emphasizing high-quality ingredients and precise execution to create a drink that pays homage to its roots while appealing to modern palates. A classic daiquiri, not frozen. Contrary to popular belief, the classic daiquiri is not a frozen concoction served in oversized glasses with colorful straws. In its authentic form, the daiquiri is shaken with ice, strained, and elegantly served in a chilled glass. It's a testament to the elegance of simplicity. Greetings, cocktail enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Origins beyond the beach. Let's begin our expedition by unearthing the true birthplace of the daiquiri. While we often associate it with sandy shores, the daiquiri's roots lie in the mines of Cuba. Miners mixed rum with lime and sugar for a refreshing pick-me-up, crafting the foundation for the beloved cocktail we know today. A naval connection. Here's a fact that might anchor your interest: the daiquiri's popularity soared thanks to the U.S. Navy. During the Spanish-American War, naval officers encountered the drink in Cuba, sparking a trend that would eventually find its way into cocktail menus worldwide. Hemingway's heartbeat. Did you know that the daiquiri had a special place in Ernest Hemingway's heart? The legendary author frequented the El Floridita bar in Havana, where bartender Constantino Ribalegua crafted the famous Papa Doble daiquiri variation, tailored to Hemingway's preferences. Daiquiri's influence on Margarita. Brace yourself for a cross-cocktail connection: the daiquiri played a role in inspiring the Margarita. As tequila gained popularity in the United States, bartenders drew inspiration from the daiquiri's template, using lime and sweetener as a foundation for the beloved Margarita. The daiquiri's return to grace. In the 1990s, the daiquiri underwent a resurgence, with bartenders rekindling interest in its classic form. This revival embraced fresh ingredients, premium rums, and precise techniques, cementing the daiquiri's status as a hallmark of craft cocktail culture. Shake versus stir. Let's settle the shake versus stir debate. While the classic daiquiri is traditionally shaken with ice to chill and dilute, some bartenders prefer stirring to maintain a silkier texture. The choice ultimately rests on personal preference, showcasing the nuances of mixology. Daiquiri beyond the glass. The daiquiri's influence extends beyond the glass, inspiring literature, music, and even cinematic moments. From Hemingway's prose to pop culture references, the daiquiri has woven its way into the fabric of creativity, making it more than just a drink. And there you have it, cocktail enthusiasts' 7 hidden treasures that elevate the American daiquiri to more than a mere libation. From its mining origins to naval encounters, Hemingway's love to cross-cocktail connections, the daiquiri's impact echoes through history. If these lesser-known daiquiri revelations have ignited your thirst for knowledge, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting expeditions into the realm of mixology. Until our next immersive exploration, remember to sip responsibly and celebrate the timeless daiquiri's allure. Cheers and happy sipping!